show your face or something.
Hi folks, a short video on how to solder copper pipe, and to show you how easy it is, my little lad Ben is going to show you. Right Ben, first thing,
Yes.
get the wire wool and clean both pieces of pipe. Make sure they're clean. This is so the flux will help the solder to flow around the joint. Are they clean, Ben?
Not yet. Got to do both ends. Yes, they are clean.
Right, now we put some flux on. You need to put a bit on. Now put your elbow on now.
Fitted.
Put flux on the other end.
Grab a bit more. Can't have too much flux. Thank you, folks.
Right, I'll fit that on to the other end of the elbow.
Oh.
Right.
Looks like a tire iron.
Now let's get the blowtorch going. I'll light the lighter.
So, this way.
Switch him on. Get your flux now, Ben. That's it. That'll do. Put your blow lamp on the elbow now. Right on the elbow. Closer in. So you're in the middle of the elbow there. That's it. Wait for it to heat up. You'll see, keep it at the same distance. Because we're using lead-free solder, it does require a bit more heat. So try it now, see if it'll run. A bit more, that's it. Another one. That's it. Okay, switch the lamp off. Don't touch the end because it'll be red hot. Get your wet cloth and give the joint a gentle wipe. Wipe the joint so you're wiping the solder nice and smooth.
Thanks, this is awesome.
Right, that's it. Let that cool down now. Don't touch. Once it's cooled, give it a good clean with the wire wool. Make it nice and clean. And that, folks, is how simple it is to solder.
Subscribe, please.